Oh, you almost had it. Here. Okay, here. Okay, get on. I've got the back of your seat. Go. Go. All right, Mom's getting the camera. Keep riding. He's a big boy. Mom's pretty proud of you. We can go to Chuck E. Cheese as soon as you learn how to start all by yourself.
Did.
You did? You think you did. That's probably not a good place to start. You probably want to bring it over here.
Stop it!
Do you want some help?
Yes.
All right.
Get back on my seat.
All right, come here. Bring your bike over here.